Boom! Hey, what's up, you guys? Byron Rogers here, and welcome to my Patreon page. And welcome to my at-home studio where I, broadcast my pirate signal of wisdom, discipline, purpose, freedom, excellence, and contribution out to the world. Those are the values that I stand for. Those are the values that, I want to really inject into our society. As I look out into the world, I see a place where there's been a lot of damage done to personal identity. There's been a lot of damage done to the masculine form. There's been a lot of damage done to the feminine form. There's been a lot of damage done to humanity as we live in a world that's not any longer designed for mankind, but it's designed for money. You know what I mean? And it breaks my heart because I know where I came from. I know that I've come from humble beginnings, and I'm an 0351. I was a Marine Corps infantryman. I went over to Iraq twice, did that whole dance, and I've been able to acquire, by the grace of God, relative success and confidence and love and a lot of really awesome and positive things, and developing these brands that you guys see and hopefully have been benefiting from, and I've been able to do those things by the grace of God. And so when I see people struggling that don't see within themselves, and they don't know their value, and they don't know who they truly are and how or what they can do to change their situation, but most importantly, they don't know their value. That's what really drives me to do what I do, and really what got me on this journey of personal development and empowerment since 2011 when I first started. So that's why I built this Patreon page, so that I could do those things and I can contribute to society on a bigger level, on a larger level, on a larger scale, because a rising tide lifts all ships. So what this is an opportunity for us to join forces, and for what you might spend on a cup of coffee, or losing the seat cushions, or maybe even one meal per month, like $20, you can contribute to a brand that's going to really contribute to helping this world in a positive way, that's going to contribute to generating content that's going to affect society in a positive way, and help empower yourself, hopefully, and all the other people out there in the world. So if that sounds interesting to you, check out the different packages. The packages may not be relevant to things you desire, but hey, if you want to get behind a guy that's going to give you everything he's got until the day he dies, I'm your man. So until the next video, and y'all who follow me on social media, you know exactly what I'm about to say. Find your purpose, live with passion, and reach your destiny. Thank you.